After 28 days, I'm going to take off my press-on nails, but I just saw something that's kind of crazy, so like I have to try it.
With this acetone-free plant-based nail glue remover, safe for your nails and your skin, you can now remove your nails under 1 minute.
So I saw that and I had to get it. This is what it looks like. It's literally just called Bessie Remover. It's by the brand Bessie Nails. And I've had these press-on nails. These are just regular nail glue on press-on nails. Not UV gel nail, just press-on nail glue, press-ons. And so let's see if we can actually take these off. Because as y'all know, I use the glue of all glues. Can it take off the Beauty Secrets glue? Like, I don't know. So let's see. So this is 28-day growth. I know people always ask how do I keep my nails on so long. I am very supplement rich. I take a lot of vitamins. I work out a lot. I eat very well. My nails don't grow super fast and my hair grows like crazy. It's always been this way, so that's also why I can wear my nails so long. I'm gonna start on this hand, and there was like little to no instruction. Like when I say little, there was no instruction. So let's just see. I'm gonna open this. I'm assuming it's just like a regular nail glue and I have to cut the top off. Yes? No? Hold on. Yes, you do. Okay, let me get scissors. What was that? That was weird. Okay. So, chop this off. So I assume it's just like any, like almost like a cuticle oil. You just place it on the cuticle, probably on the underside of the nail, and then let it sit for a minute. So here is the nail in question. I'm gonna try to have you guys see it, but it might be kind of hard. So I'm just gonna squeeze some out. Oh, I see it going in all over the cuticle area. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's dripping out. And then under my nail. Okay, I'll wait for 60 seconds. Okay, so it's been 60 seconds. So I saw that they used in the video like a cuticle stick to kind of like wedge under there. So let me grab one. So let's see. Again, I don't know how much you're supposed to put on your nail, but I saw it go into the nail well, so. Okay, it's obviously lifting. Oh, do you see? It's like a little bit of like glue like melted. Are you, this is, no way. Shut it. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. My nail is obviously off. Well, get it together, girl. Here is the press on. Obviously, a little bit of my top part of a little thin, oh, that's glue. That's not even, this is just glue. Shut your pie hole. Okay. Oh, it's like a little bit of my nail. Tiny bit. Yeah, a tiny bit. Okay, they say that you can then take this, put this on the inside to like help you, instead of buzzing, like using the e-file to file off the residual glue, you can just put this on the inside of your press-on and let it melt away, the glue. But dude, that was so fast. That was insane. Okay. Let me see if I can do a couple more. I'm gonna do my pointer. Same thing. Put it at the cuticle. Oh, it's so fun. You can see it just like go right in there. Make sure I get all in the nail well. And then under the nail. 60 seconds. Let's do a little rocking. Oh, do you hear that? It's moving. Go underneath it. Yep. Can you see? Literally underneath the nail. Slowly driving it forward. It's hard for me to do it on this angle. Driving it forward. And it's also, this hand is my right hand. And it's hard to do. You're not down the hand. Wow. Look. Are you seeing this? Ah! Look. Dude, this is so fast. So it definitely does peel up, but it's not 100% damage free. I mean, it's like a top part of my nail, like a very thin, like, this is so thin, this little tiny little bit. So it's not 100% damage free, but dang, does that look good. Like my thumb, there's a little bit of damage there, but not a ton. Not a ton. Nothing that a file, like, I mean, look how thin it is. It's just like, it's so thin. Take an e-file to it, you buzz it right off. I'm gonna do the rest of these fingers. This is crazy. It's so fast. 60 seconds and they're coming off. I'm realizing that, so, you know, we're gonna put it on and it flows all the way through. You can see it. Yeah? I realize, so you know, kind of want to shake it down so it kind of gets into the nail, starts doing its thing. That's what I realized. So it doesn't like ride down your finger. Go under my nail like I've been doing before. I wait 30 seconds and then I do like a second coat. Not even 30 seconds, maybe I wait like 10 seconds. And then now I'm going to go back on the second coat. And because that's how I got less damage this time. Basically, I just do 2 coats of like the remover. Time's up. And I said, this nail is really glued on. I can tell. I can see that. Where did my stick literally just go? Sheesh. I can see that how glued on it is. So let's see if it, remember I did 2 coats. So let's see. So I can get underneath it. And slowly, you're seeing that like go around the cuticle. Sorry, this ankle's so awkward. You know what I'm going to do? I don't want to like make any more damage. So then lifting it a little, I'm going to put a little bit more. Because now that I'm like really underneath it. Minute 2. So I'm going to go back under because I'm just trying to like, because these nails are clear, I can like see where it's lifting and I'm trying to mitigate any damage, you know? But look at that. Look at that. Look, look. I mean, it comes right off. Again, just the tiniest, you see a little lift? Easy. Okay, let me get the rest of these off. Got them off. On this hand, I apply the remover, and then I'm going to go into my usual remover solution. All of my nails are off. Let me show you the state of my nails close up so you can like really see. This hand is what I used just the remover on. So not awful. Took a little bit of my tip of my nail there, but not terrible. Definitely you can see some like peeling, you know, there you go. So that's what this hand looks like. Thumb, a little bit of peeling there, you know. This is what my hand looks like when I use just my Dawn dish soap, olive oil, and water with this as a prep. This is what that looks like. So we got a bit of peeling here. But I just want to give you guys like the real deal, you know? There you go, so you can see. Just a bit of peeling there, but overall, it really got off everything. Thumb. So, okay, my overall thoughts is if you're looking for something that's like a time saver, then this will definitely work. Like if you're in a pinch, you really need your nails off, I think this really works. But what I don't love is 1, this is really small, and 2, like this could leak. So I think they need to increase the size for sure. Also, it only comes in their nail sets. So you cannot buy it separately. So I don't love that. So like a point off because it's the size, a point off because it only comes in their nail sets. And then it's not 100% damage free. I didn't think it'd be 100% damage free. It's not bad. It's really not bad. And I did it for 60 seconds. I applied it, let it sit for 60 seconds. I applied it, let it sit again for another 60 seconds. So I did 2 minutes. And I will say like there still is obviously a little bit of damage, so point off of that. So I'll give it a 7 out of 10 for sure. So it works. And obviously, I mean, maybe I just didn't follow the instructions right, but I think I did. But that's how it worked out. What do we think?